OUTPERFORMS FIBERGLASS washable and non-electrostatic 3-month pleated 1-in. Home air filters for your furnace, air conditioner or HVAC system. Designed with exclusive Filtrete Brand 3-in-1 technology from 3M to trap unwanted air particles while letting cleaner air flow through. Attracts and captures microscopic particles such as smoke, cough and sneeze debris, bacteria and viruses, and large particles, including lint, household dust and pollen. 1550 MPR has a rating of MERV 12. The higher the MPR, the more microparticles such as pollen, pet dander, smoke, bacteria and viruses your filter will capture from the air passing through it. 54% small particle capture, like bacteria and particles that carry viruses. Percent captured is based on ASHRAE 52.2 testing for 0.3 to 1 micron particles from the air passing through the filter, which relates to HVAC industry standard efficiency testing. Certified as asthma allergy friendly, as outlined in Report ASCR 1246-01. Top reviews from the United States. I gave these 5 stars because it is a great filter. Just make sure you measure correctly before ordering these. I ordered these 20x25x4 filters, but they didn't fit my furnace. I actually needed the 20x25x4 slim fit ones, which are just slightly smaller in all dimensions. Why HVAC companies would make 2 different versions of a 20x25x4 filter is beyond me.